Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen Durai from DijsU University, and in today's video we are going to talk about what does native advertising mean. I'm literally going to show you guys the whole process. It's going to be super interesting, guys, so make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video. But before we go to the video, please support this channel by hitting the big red subscribe button for this channel, the like button for this video only if you like this video, only at the end of the video, guys, as well as the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. I'll be seeing you inside today's video, guys. Let's begin.
This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Welcome to today's video, everybody. In today's video we are going to talk about what does native advertising mean. Simply, native advertising and native ads means a lot different, guys. Not talking in the grammatical error in the language. I'm not an expert in English or something like that. I'm just going to tell you that if you mean native ads, you're just referring to that particular ad alone, that particular ads that we actually produce. But if you're looking at native advertising, that particular ad alone is not sufficient. We will be needing to follow a flow, a series of layers, and that series of layer includes choosing an offer, and that includes creating a landing page, and then includes collecting data, and then includes spying on the competitors, and includes building the ads. So that's how the whole process works in native advertising. So I'm going to explain to you each every one of this process, but before that I'm just going to show you guys what is native advertising and how it will actually look in your eyes, guys. So let me just reset all this. I'm just going to show you, for example. So this is actually a spy tool that we are using. It's called Anthrax, guys. Anthrax is a very beautiful spy tool. We was using Addiplexity before this, but we changed into Anthrax because it offers much more functions, and also that in Anthrax, right, they do really have a much more cheaper price. It's like $60 per month, while in Addiplexity it's like $250 per month. So with Anthrax, right, like for example, if you go to a particular ad network, or you go to a let's say we go to a particular ad network, which is ClickBank, for example, right? So we go to ClickBank here. So if you go to ClickBank and then you search for a particular ad, you can actually see all the ads here. So if you sort by descending, you will actually know what is the most powerful ads which is running in ClickBank. So if you actually take a look at this ad was running in Outbrain. It was running only for one day, and it has 147 conversion, which is really great. So if you click on these ads, right, you can actually take a look at these ads and everything. So you will literally know what are they using and every single thing. So basically, let me just tell you first thing is, this is how a native ad is. So if you ask me what is native ads, I will literally say that this is a native ad and this is how it looks like. So if you ask regarding native advertising, then comes a very different flow. So first, there's actually native ads. Okay, there's like countries that they're creating. Then there's actually a landing page. So this is actually their landing page. So there's actually a landing page, and then there is actually an offer page. I'm going to show you guys. So if you visit this landing page over here, right, so this is the landing page. So if you click to watch the video, they will actually lead you to the offer page, and there will be an offer page. So this is actually an offer page. Erase my back. I don't know what happened. Maybe they have actually canceled this, but this erase my back pane is the offer page. So this offer, you need to have a conversion in this offer, and if you have this conversion in offer, you'll be making money. But the most important part that a lot of channels or anything won't talk about is the publishers. So you can actually see, right, if you know how the native advertising works, I've actually explained to you before. It's simple, guys. There's two parties involved. One is publisher, one is advertiser. So this publisher is where they have a website, they have a source where traffic is coming, they want to sell those traffics for money. And then advertisers are people who have money, people who have offer, who wants to go ahead and buy the traffic from the publishers. So it's correlated. Publishers cannot survive without advertisers, advertisers cannot survive without publishers. So this is the whole thing, guys. So If you take a look at the publisher section, right, you will literally know what website is actually driving the most traffic, guys. So if you actually see this one, the Spot Bible is the one that has the most traffic penetration, which is 22%. So you can actually take a look at this Spot Bible. For example, I'm going to show you guys. So if you take a look at the Spot Bible, you can see what sort of advertisements they run, and you can actually see this is actually the advertisement that they run. So your native ad should be somewhere around here or somewhere around here. So you will literally know how your ad will look like if you put in this particular network, for example this particular network, which is Outbrain, and this particular publisher. So you will literally know how your ads will look like. So you need to have this rough understanding, so this is actually your ads. So you can actually see this is how your ads will look like. So this is a rough understanding, and this is what you need. This is actually ads as well. Okay, so you can actually see. So you need to have a rough understanding on how your ads will look like. So this is how native ads will look like. And now we have to do the native advertising procedure. So it's very easy, guys. First, let's go back to this offer. This is the offer that we were running, right? So how we want to retrace this offer is that now the first thing is we look at the offer, then we go to the landing page, and then we go to the we look at the ads, and then once you click on the ads, it goes to the landing page, and from the landing page it actually goes to the offer. Right now we have to work backwards to create the offer. So first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and choose the offer. So we actually clicked clickbank, right? So we wanted to find the offer in clickbank, and the offer was like erase my back pain, right? That was the offer's name. So we're going to do erase my back pain. So this is the offer. You can actually see erase my back pain. So they do have a good gravity here, 87 conversion. So you're going to take a look at this offer. You're going to take a look at this offer, and you're gonna see how this offer page look like. So this offer is not working, but this is actually the offer. So once you actually choose this offer is actually not working. There's a problem, I think, with this offer. But if this is the offer that you choose, right, then you're gonna hit the promote link. You're gonna get this offer link. You're gonna get this offer link, and then this offer link is what you're going to put in your landing page, which is the next step. And if you take a look at this is actually the landing page that they use, right? I can actually create a very similar landing page that they use using Landerize, guys. I've actually attached the link to Landerize in the description below for your convenience if you want to use them. So it's very easy, guys. Make sure before you use Landerize, you go ahead and set up everything first, right? You have to go to the getting started section. You have to go and see step 2 and step 3, the most important. You have to set up your Amazon S3, and you have to connect your lander with your Amazon S3 your domain of your Amazon S3 with your Landerize. So it will take somewhere around 30 minutes to do so, but this is the basic step. It's very important. Just follow step by step, guys, and you'll be good. Only do it once, guys, but without doing it you will not be able to upload your image into Landrise. So you can actually see, right, this is the landing page that they actually use, right? I can actually create the same landing page, guys. I'm going to show you how. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hit create landing page. Very simple. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So this is actually the landing page that they actually use. So we're going to create this. We're just going to name it as whatever they named it, guys. They named it medicalnet.com. So we're going to just name it like that. For example, it's very easy to do this, guys. I'm just going to show you guys. So look at that, they do not have this. So they want to have advertisement, they don't have this. I'm just going to delete this advertisement. I'm just going to scroll it, and can I change it a little bit? Should I change it? I think the advertisement looks a little bit good. I just want to go ahead and make sure I don't follow exactly what they do, but if I want to follow whatever they do, right, I can actually go and change the size of the font here. So I can highlight the font, and then I can actually go to the font sizes here, general. So I can actually change the font size here. So I can make it look really small. And then the next one is Charles Brighton. So just gonna, sorry, just going to keep this beside side by side. I'm just going to show you how easy it is actually to do it, guys. So we're going to change this into Charles Brighton. So Charles Brighton, that's it's going to be, right, Charles whatever Brighton. So it's going to be 7 hours, and then it's going to be three views. So just gonna show you, it's not going to be exactly the same, but it's going to be almost the same, 7 hours. And then it's going to be like whatever views there is. So you can actually change this dimension a little bit bigger, make it looks nice. So you're going to change the picture. So the picture, you're not going to do exactly the same, right? So you're just going to put this picture. And what you're going to do is, working from home, don't get back pain. So you're just going to edit it like this. Working working from home, don't want to get back pain. I'm just showing you how easy it is to actually do. You can actually do it very nicely, guys. So you're just going to copy this. Actually, you can just go ahead here, right, to the landing page. I'm just going to copy this. Why am I typing everything back? It's going to be a mess if I actually type all this back. So I'm just going to copy this. So I'm just going to paste it here. So I'm going to paste it like this. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. A little bit of space between here. Oops, what happened? So I think the words actually make it to be very small. So let me just copy back the words. Just gonna put the size of the typography a little bit higher. So I'm just gonna copy this back. It's going to be really easy, guys. All you got to do is just copy paste, just copy paste. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add some blocks. So we're going to add some text. So we're going to add some text here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to copy this text here. We're going to paste it in the landerize here. You're going to paste it here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to bold this. You're going to change the typography size, you know. Literally, that's what you're gonna do. And then you're gonna go here again. You're gonna click here to watch the video. You're gonna change that. Basically, that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to actually build your landing page. You can actually see, right? If you change this image, right? I'm just gonna show you this. I'm just gonna save this image. It's so easy to double click the image. Just press the image, click on the image. That's it. We have created a very similar landing page with the one which is working using Landrise. So that's how easy it is if you actually use Landrise, guys. So once you have actually done with using Landrise, next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and create a campaign. Same thing what we actually did with Landrise, guys. You're going to go to the campaign. Yeah, let me just go through the settings with the campaign very fast. Everything start over, guys. So I'm just going to do like test 1 2 3 4 5 7 8. Then I'm just going to single blah blah blah. I'm just going to skip everything. I'm just going to go to the content, and I'm going to take the same exact content from this particular page over here, which is already working, right? So I'm just going to paste in Outbrain. It's really going to work because this was actually working in Outbrain. So what we're going to do is going to cancel this. You're going to take this image. We're going to save this image. It's not going to come. So I'm going to Google this image. So I'm going to change this image. I'm going to copy back paint. I'm going to put back paint. You see our image, right? You'll be shocked to see our image like this. So I'm going to save this image, and then I'm going to go to our brain. I'm going to drag and drop this image. So the image is, they do not have a size. So if you cannot find the size, you can actually go to Google, type Outbrain creative size. If I'm not mistaken, it's 120 times 180. If I'm not 800, if I'm not mistaken. So you can actually see their size of their image they use, 1200 times 800. So you can actually use that thing. So you can actually go to a website called Canva. It's used to actually design all the redesign all the sites. So you go to custom dimension, go to 1000 and go to 800, go create. Just going to show you how simple it is to do the same thing like what they have actually done, guys. So you're going to go unnamed. So what you're going to do is you take this image, you're gonna paste it. It's gonna be a little bit pixelated because we did very fast, right? You're gonna take some time to do this, but I'm just gonna show you how easy it is actually to produce the same content. I'm doing this like very fast, but you can actually produce the same content. So look at that, everything done. You're gonna preview. Look at this ad. Look at this ad, same winning. If he can actually achieve this in one day, you can also achieve this in one day. So basically, this is what native advertising means. It means that you're bringing your offer into your particular ads, you're doing the whole process while how you are actually optimizing it using Anthrax and volume, guys. So basically that's about it from me from in today's video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. I really hope that today's video was beneficial for you. So if you want to use volume, you want to use Landrise, you want to use Anthrax, the link is actually in the description below. With Landrise, there's special exception where there's actually a free 14 days trial for Landrise as well, so you can actually utilize all of them as well. And there's also a link to DijsU Forum, a community where affiliate marketers come from all over the world, join together to build, to rise, and to help each other, guys. It's really, really awesome. Do check it out. Before I go, please help me support this channel by hitting the big red subscribe button for this channel, the like button for this video only if you like this video, as well as the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and so that we can keep creating good content all the time. I'll be seeing you in the next one, guys. So till then, tata.